If you want to write and compile C++ code in Linux, just go to and click on terminal and write gedit, name your file, name it first cpp, enter, write code here, will include IO stream, okay, and write using namespace, std, then write int main, then you write code, just I write cout to hello world, close parenthesis, bracket, close bracket, and then just go and click save all, cut it, go and write g++ first dot cpp -o, and you want to name your out file. Yes, I want to name my out file, just name it your first, just your first, enter, just compile your write dot slash your first and enter. Is so here hello world. If you want to change, if you want to rewrite your code, just type gedit first.cpp and you rewrite your code. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and we will meet in another video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel. See you next time.